Let's learn how to share a Telegram group link. If you've ever wanted to send a Telegram link to someone but didn't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Telegram app on your phone. When you open Telegram, you'll be on the page with all your chats. On that page, you need to find the group whose link you want to send to someone. Once you find that group, enter its chat by clicking on it. When the group opens, you'll see all the messages written in that group. On that page, you need to click on an option that opens the group settings page. The option you need to click on is the group icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on that, you'll open a page where you'll see the group's share link. If you want to copy it, hold your finger on it and a copy button will pop up. If you want, you also have the option to send it as a QR code. To do this, you need to click on the QR code icon located next to the link. When you click on it, a page with the QR code will open. The next thing you need to do is click the blue Share QR Code button. When you click on it, a menu will open where you can choose the app you want to use to send the QR code. At the top of the menu, you'll also see some recent chats you've used. When you click on the person you want to send it to, a page will open where you need to click the Send icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on that, you've successfully sent the QR code. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.